Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuses and the relays for the fuel rail pressure sensor on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. That sensor is super important because you have, you have practically direct fuel injection system, so that sensor, without that sensor the car will be practically not drivable. We will talk about hidden fuse boxes today, guys. Information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the fuel rail pressure sensor, which fuses, relays we need to check, always do those. We'll have a video on the channel how to test fuel rail pressure sensor. It's not complicated, but always test it before you dump your money on a new one that you may not actually need because it could be quite expensive. Now, quick advice from us, guys. 9 out of 10 owners of that Mercedes will not know that they have up to 6-7 different fuse boxes. Some are extremely hidden, some don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. And what we guys need to do here, we need to come to the passenger side, open the passenger door, come in the footwell compartment, and on the A pillar on the right side here on the plastic trim, let me get a better angle. You can see it this way, guys. Okay, it's right here. You have one cover that you need to open, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here, guys, now multiple fuses will need to be checked. We'll be working, I believe, in 4 different fuse boxes, so please make sure to stay until the end. Some are hidden and there will be very helpful information. Those are all engine management fuses, so we don't know exactly which one it is, but we need to check all of them. And the first fuse is fuse 315 right here that we will need to check. You see that fuse 315. Then, guys, what we need to do next, we need to come under the hood. On the right side here, under the hood, on the driver's side, you see you have that turning knob. Turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise, one on this side as well. Do the same, leave that cover up. If you look under that cover, you have a white fuse box with a black cover. That black cover attaches with 2 bolts with Torx 22. Unscrew them, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here, you need to check, guys, fuse 126 right there. Some of you may have fuse 122 here. If you don't, that's fine, guys. Now you need to check relay G right here, and here you have 3 hidden relays that are known as O, J, and L. Relay J will need to be checked right here. You can kind of see it's a white relay right there. Now we have a few more things we need to check as well. When we're talking, guys, okay, we're going to come under the hood again on the passenger side this time. Right here, you see you have that cover. That cover has a battery symbol on it. Go ahead, remove it, and underneath you have a positive jump starter terminal. That jump starter terminal, if you look on the back side, that's a pre-fuse box actually right there. So here now guys, if you open that pre-fuse box, you have multiple cables going in and out. Let me show you. It will look something like this one. You will have multiple fuses inside of it. But guys, that pre-fuse box, you may have two different kinds depending on the year, model and engine that you have in your Mercedes. And the first kind, you may need to check fuse number 12 and fuse number 3 right here. You see, these fuses will be very, very important. The next thing you want to do, if you have the different kind of fuse box, we actually have this one here. The only thing that we will need to check in that fuse box is fuse number 5. But since you're already here, you open it, test all your fuses, because all of these have very important functions and for engine management as well. Now guys, you have another pre-fuse box that's on the inside. We'll recommend to check these fuses too. There is no specific fuse for this specific sensor, guys, but however, okay, check them, because that's the internal fuse box. Let me show you where it's located. It's behind the fuse box, behind the glove box. If you remove it in the corner on the left side, okay, that's what it looks like, and if you open it, that's the design, but it supplies power to the engine pre-fuse box as well, so test that pre-fuse box as well. Next, come to the trunk. In the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a carpet liner right here. Now that carpet liner underneath, it's get out, lift it up, and you have that design here. Specifically here we need to check fuse number 442 right here, and we need to check fuse number 451 right here. Those are the main fuses relays that we need to check. Hopefully guys, it will be easy fix for you like it was for us. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.